Welcome, explorers and comfort seekers. Get ready to meet the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, the road's ultimate in comfort and innovation. With its exceptional performance and elegant Scandinavian design, this incredible vehicle is expected to revolutionize the RV industry. It exudes refinement from the outside and achieves the perfect balance between style and functionality thanks to Volvo's iconic sleek, aerodynamic lines. As the high-tech brains behind it all, we expect a sophisticated electric drivetrain, perhaps with 2 electric motors for powerful and smooth all-wheel drive, supplemented by a sizable battery pack for improved range and emission-free driving. When you first walk in, the dashboard's sleek, futuristic look welcomes you. Buttons have been replaced by a large, vertical infotainment display that serves as an easy-to-use, fully integrated control center. Behind it, a sleek digital driver's display displays all the information you need. Plus a 5G connection and built-in Google Assistant ensure that you're always connected to the outside world and your navigation. You will sense the authentic essence of Scandinavian design as soon as you enter. The inside is spacious, well-lit, and tastefully furnished. In addition to being aesthetically pleasing, using eco-friendly textiles like Nordico and rich wool blends is satisfying to the touch. Your lodge's glass top and big panoramic windows provide unobstructed views of the outdoors. This space can easily be transformed from a comfortable lounge to an elegant dining area thanks to its versatile design, which incorporates sliding and swiveling seats. When it's time to unwind, the bedroom in the 2026 Volvo Motorhome offers a tranquil retreat. One example of how contemporary design and utility may coexist is a king-size bed with a cozy mattress. The perfect environment for relaxing is created with hidden storage and adjustable ambient lighting. Even the design of the bathroom demonstrates Volvo's sophistication. This bathroom is compact but makes good use of the space because of its premium materials, modern equipment, and the possibility of a water-saving shower. Style and utility work together to ensure that you get what you want in an easy-to-understand way. Finally, let's peek into the kitchen. This kitchen was likely designed with traveling cooks in mind, with energy-efficient, contemporary amenities like a seamless refrigerator/freezer, an induction cooktop, and a practical sink. Thanks to clever countertops and hidden storage, you'll always have everything you need to prepare delicious meals wherever you go. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a future home on wheels that combines style, sustainability, and technology to provide an unparalleled holiday experience. Are you ready for your next adventure?